Etiba Ghana had my ba kwa trend pe be nan e interest e wo mu the arrest of Kwame Bafo Abronye na pipi chairman. Anyhow I say you see handle as more or less as a notorious criminal. And no ana lawyer Martin Kpebu NDC ni uni pa lawyer Martin Kpebu or say or said John Mahama AC handle Abronye issue ni pa dia eye na uniwu na wonu ne ho ese oto na ba edema NDC lawyer Martin Kpebu abefire na ma nchiribu na kire wadwen amame e wo comment section aha Penyah block media mesra say ni dim obe like if you don't know that ma put subscribe button so ba click the notification icon to latest updates na ba kire wadwen amame e wo comment section mesra so ba so anu ahye ofro so enya bi ahye etie nya nim ade etwa Abronye Dc Abronye VP chairman Kwame Bafo Abronye I friend Abronye Dc a police for Equatorial on the 8th of September 2025 e won fie other say I say one disturbance of public peace and face misinformation dissemination just say or misinforming the public no and an insult to the IGP just a quote that bond the bebrebe na e ma de tia na e 9th yeremande no like I said Yensan Family Crash Circuit Court on the Friday that is 12th September enra and I didn't call my no I didn't call no you know asem no ankowie kan e ma court esa hye say ye fa Abronye enkotum bi ye fa nko twi police for kumu kakra na police for ego so nhwemu omu investigation to omu emfa na enko ema hokra na how na say ye dey Abronye ko no police for dey Abronye chima say police for ketwo I said ya chi notorious criminal say ya chi criminal bi pa criminal kesie bi ana ya grepo no just na eno ana crash circuit court montres na honya asem kuma na police for ewo honum pay yi police for edi akrebi bomomome police for edi assembly e ma honum kran Abronye lawyer e be cancer say there bi ade ase e koso honum de entwaye enye ade koso no enye emfamra kwan so
court to blast them. It's a sad day for democracy. It's a sad day for the rule of law because under Article 19(2)(c) of the 1992 Constitution, an accused person is presumed to be innocent until he has proven guilty. He's been proven guilty or he has pleaded guilty. Mr. Abronye has pleaded not guilty to the charges that have been leveled against him, and in fact, the court is duty bound to protect the liberty of the accused person. We say I have always re-echoed the statement of His Lordship Justice John Mahama in the case of the Republic versus Prince Chibudako, that the state with all its resources should not be allowed to gamble with the lives of ordinary citizens. Under the circumstances, the state has been allowed by the courts to gamble with the life of ordinary citizens in a matter of a misdemeanor. And it is sad. It is very sad. And this is a country that we are building today. And we urge all well-meaning Ghanaians to add their voice as far as the handling of persons perceived to be political opponents to the ruling party is concerned. Ideally, look at the deployment of police and the deployment of state power using the coercive power of the state against innocent citizens. It's what Justice John Mahama, when he was sitting as an additional high court judge, stated in Prince Chibudako that the state, with all its resources, should not be allowed to gamble with the lives of ordinary citizens. Now the court has allowed the state to gamble with the life of ordinary citizens in this manner. It is arbitrary, it's unconscionable. But what can we do? We follow due process, make sure that the law is the law and the law serves the wheels of justice in accordance with due process as far as the tenets of democracy is concerned. So we'll pursue. We have our strategies right. We'll climb the next level of the court structure to ensure that the liberty of Mr. Kpebu Abronye is restored. We urge the police and we urge the security that if they were able to deploy the hundreds of men here in a matter of a misdemeanor, they should go to the north, where some of our own citizens are lingering in neighboring Ivory Coast as a result of conflict. They should go to other parts of the country, in Boko, where people are dying. They should go to Manso, where innocent citizens are being killed. People are maiming for life. This is what the state should be interested.
Emma for your market cracker says MP for the Mohomono, or much to my Jankasa, ever home. And if you could like I police for a dear brother Chino, you know, play for Congo fight, but issue, any punk will come back to Bunyeri, Yen punk of Soviet, but yet when ya police from Pim, Eddie Abronye Chenese, Abronye superstar, what I say. Now, Emuno, Anna, Leah Martin Kpebu, legal practitioner. What betting come up for terms on a party? Or John Mahama si bu ne mine party a David. Enye we nti ne to Baba Mahama. Na wonu ne ho pa se 2024 election no. Or sorry Jinam say Ghana for to Mahama no no party. We resign every NDC amembo ni mu we free mu eko.
The same law. The law is the law. Many America 8 years ago no. And one and America no. Abronye case, we don't have to wait till next week. We don't have to wait under the law, no. Judge Timika Mukombra 1 week, but the police who Penyah Monday on base to me court. Judge and him say, oh, you're judge or money Abronye lawyers. Oh, yani yekati after 1 week. I don't know, you know. Touch up, yes, it's okay. No money deal. I think we should do that because yes, politicians who means answer. If we do that, they will take us for granted. Yes, I know the things he said, no. Oba utiba ombe pacho enya no ne yeka titi amra no na yepese ye tuma misdemeanor yemfo obi ntumu saa misdemeanor yemfo obi ntumu saa nti nsem na meka ye abra omochi koku anyi dohu no eno ana meka nne 8 years ago said was it 7 years yechi koku anyi dohu it's the same thing yechi Oliver Bakavoma wo ama governor you know na meka eno ana meka nne at force in trial Abrana enkoye na ye criticize the judge if you say what as a rebuttal and one am repeating call all the cases now NDC will position ye cast baby and yamra and yam I'm repeating all today. We can't allow this thing to continue, otherwise we will have no society.
But the police would argue say in accordance with due process, no, they presented the accused person before a court of competent jurisdiction, made arguments why they think he should be kept in custody for investigations. For them, they've done no wrong.
And so into Oliver Bakavoma, yes. I'm a governor, and I'm attorney general Mokokai. But by the time you know, Ghana Puma attorney general Godfrey Ebu say and Yembra. So it's the same thing. Yabema attorney general and IG who send your money and Yembra. Where the American review to see a message Dr. Ian message. In your way, yet to my NDC, they beat me. I cannot be part of this type of governance. No. Me Abronye Kaino and Yembra. More money bill. If you will not forgive him, let the case go on to the end. If they do punishment now, they do. The punishment no bounce on a dorsal to do will come back and say we the other bracket a dorsal. I mean, come on, we can't allow this politicians to just take everything. Then where is the society? I don't know what our older brothers and I was saying sorry,
but would you agree with Omoa Ekase? This is the IGP showing Obi our criticizing on where power lies.
Yes, you can't run away from it. I didn't madam for I was even from here. No, I was sending post my ABV and Bama. After this, I was sending me text and say they didn't mean yes, sir. You can't. Obi Obeka say they are showing him where power lies. You know, we can't contradict it. It's possible. Say they are showing Abronye where power lies, but and yet this country, hey, this Ghana is stronger than any individual. Ghana is stronger than any individual. You were due process. So misdemeanor na Abronye won't mean bail say na. Let's just say Table number 2, Mr. Medical Court.
It's of no use.
They are even rendering that decision useless.
Yeah.
Even bigger offenses are not. You actually say bail in what? There were 12 offenses.
Yeah.
And so those days, Chief Justice Georgina Wood, Eni Yebua, Justice Doche, Bafu Bonnie, Nelson, and there were how many? Badegbe, Adinira.
Yes.
I'm saying, no, this country, this kind of law is not law. So that Abenaba, not judge no uses discretion. How many? So that was 2016. About 9 years on, we are rather going retrogressing. Now, Abronye misdemeanor, also on them to this is not law. As citizens, we have to get up. We said this must stop. This, otherwise, it will lead to tyranny. Now, opposition, yes, so okay. So let's not retrogress. We must make progress as a nation. Abronye remand with yes, strengthening for Monday. They can go back to court. They can go back to court. We don't have to wait 1 week. Under criminal law, the official judge said 1 week. But mokona adena more Saturday, Sunday, Monday morning go back to court. Now mad Abronye bail. Why one for 1 went to they say more brother you be asemo. Now say a jato uyonko abodria. Now say one sense you the one. You don't know what will happen.
Yeah, but one thing I found interesting, when I heard what happened in court, was the prosecution says they needed the 1 more week to continue the investigation. And I was wondering, the charges preferred against the accused person, really, what will be the investigations? Prosecution, offensive conduct conducive to the breach of peace, and a publication of false news intended to create fear and panic. I mean, the matter speaks for itself. If the video recording is the main evidence, what other investigations be your lawyer? Maybe with your experience, wouldn't any other investigations be on the person? I don't know.
Yes, you have a point. You have a strong point. Yes, most of these things, it's about the authenticity of the tape.
Absolutely.
So you do that. Can he delete it? Or delete it? People already amount watching.
Yes.
Or more as part of the investigations. No matching. First, I asked the police who came. Asema ya research man so mun ko cancel court na no anu we are still doing investigations kweku anyu do hu de ne ba na nka ye tie mu pa na nka ekufado o man twa so saa sanka ne we nyina amba de bia e ko kan mo ti he equalization ye ko kan mo ti equalization so na adini esita ye mamu old reference mo ti equalization and meanwhile we keep repeating we are fan we do. Yeah, who can be say this simple thing? I don't know, it's online. Or no, or could delete it already matching.
Yes.
You can do your investigation without him. Already enjoy it. This is a big embarrassment. And it's a sad day for our democracy.
Very well. Counsel, I just wanted to find out if the
this need be so. I be can't say the life in danger. NDC for no attract no I say omunyambo ne kra na omubedi no
maybe a coordinator I will find the Bambrazi letter area. You should turn the state police station. Messiah don't go cause patrons. Na NDC party na ye join no. And yes be a sikabi and ye person obi family bu e bottom and as bibi sa. And your money here you empty and a party no. Ye brema party ba power. Me kaya mu say si hai. 2020 ka we na me dey aduma non stop to 2024. Obi an ho ma 1 cedi. Obi an ho ma me kapre. But enye no na me hwe. Ye MC onabro amankwa no routine. Ekwa wo the constituency ni fa so no. Enye wo no ko a party time I ka ho. Onabro Kufulu Ibrahim. Enye wo no ko a onabro atakwache secretary waka ho. Enye wo no ko a onabro Patrick Opoku Fofie. Wano so waka ho bi we organizer. Omu gu party no constituency ya. say MCE a book for container. MCE was the traffic into a book for container. The Papa Chow, I said, don't get car, say school people Jimmy. Enti I am not gonna say container to meet the traffic and I don't that time. The toss me a new and rather go. Last week, I was almost thank you to MCE one kahun. Thank you to Ayako. Obi Ayako kwa jinato no swaba. Wano na okota also okota thank you to o lead thank you to no. Na oma edai. Oba ba thank you to. Omba thank you to MC Yankobi. Onka ho. E party executive no ene ba thank you to no. Sa thank you to no mba no. Me pese me ma amansan nyina ho. Odo ba se edukatia. Chama say chama na kwasi regional minister. Any came boss. Amwa santereji ha. Me pese me hu say ko thank you to a nipa wo leadi esa no o konka ho ye kodru thank you to na say e de yobusa chama say amanko gubu sankrofo nema sabre so say ya bia school nkoleto bus enti e ma time bre enyanka wom ebia wo agya wo mba nipa 5 ebia agya wo mba nipa 6 oba na hwe wo mo ebi oba ma na waja akwala no oba da hwe omo ebi oba na waja akwala no be ma na hwe omo ese wote kwa ho yenye kwan so am runabout yenye oda wa need dem akwa essay constituency no woni na ada pamfo na executive ni communication officer the deputy communication officer o kan ho bi because communication officer no o kan ho bi sarif kan ho omu nyina aka ho bi na omu se party no ha ese uba kwa abiri isa NDC nya kondo biom oba sai microphone nema former MC ni nua Mr Muntari wa bo party papa ndro ma ko bubu ko te na send pasa so oba yakob ampana ase yabusa chama say ozo wa break you na ba mankwa party time you time akufuru ozo wa break no o ma na kwan e ma ne to aduma de nso bi no wo se party no ya antikitam ya antigame enro adumra anajo wa be se faade o ma be se faade asai obi abibia pasa eti eneme ekoso no yesra mo region sama asori anyira ya de kakas kan se onawru ni du amankwa na so odin oye arrogance eti se say why emso wa konka wo nyina minim so abribe wo mu so ayedai o party time who is control party time they control time akufuru wo ho kwa se wo ayedai wo stop andawa onuru di amankwa but time akufuru at stop no mitimi hu de ntia want to stop no na omuse bebubu ade no so no NDC babi a NDC kote na wo no ahono bubu ni nyina na omuse bebubu ade no so no NDC babi a NDC kote na wo no ahono bubu ni nyina ada side no ma dai onabu ni di amankwa Roma school no babi a regional minister wo ba ya mo gina ya say mo gina speaker mo aye campaign no school de wo no woni wo mo wasem se omo frɛ program a ɛyɛ me na me kɔ me na samre ma ne kɔ oda amankwa onsi obi onko enti enu ntinu o target school no containers no ekobubu ni nyina enti de yesra Ghana for ne say Ghana for to abama NDC say yembra me ye o man yi wo mo ato ama abama NDC say ombra omo me kire nkrofo kom nipa 1.7 na NDC di BT APP no sai nipa 1.7 omo da so ho obetima asesa wo mo sa anytime eti yesre penifo amwo region someone to mo na yasi form aka no crunch the sa executive way se mo hwe na se still aswode na be koso a na mo yire firi ho me se mitimi nya bisi ma ne nya ye me certificate but aduma me ye no constituency an ama kwant ma nya bi mo pa mo sa chairman Sikam sen was out on the same letter area no amakwa watma nyebi bupa mo frɛ chairman adjuba me ye nzongo kokos me di bisika alaji abu bupa mo frɛ no enyo bia de ma petrol enyo bia de ma me hwe 2020 saa 2024 saa a car we are afraid of my coco penticano, ayacano, 1,000, I said 16,000, and I'm coco ye. It is a sabre way. So grass up a sabi, say Quankran here, a brow de adeno, and yabra papa. Sabre way that Uncle move walk school. A big nim, your top boost, a big top boost 18 million. I say October 20th. Uncle because secondary school. Omo ma me no strage, o papa no strage. Wo se miss abre we no no. Ya ebre mu odin mu no, e da be say ade no. Say nka bibi kura na nka e bia regional minister ada say o man no ahye say yere force kura na. Wo betu le letter akọ. Say abre we me nkrofo no e be ha adwene. Ya bia school. Enti omo ho kire omo. Tika mo nyai. E bu bia no awaye. Sabre we ya bia school. Hwedi pa bre. E pekwa mankola ko school. E bi ko ya nim October 20th. Nkola be ko secondary school. Hwe ne ma wo fo betoto. Samre o sai wo nema nyina. Na o ma ye dey. E ti extra penifo se da de na si ko no. Ano aye dey. Honorable Johnson na say dun katia ma sande me dey sande o. I say my yet TikTok. E dey akoba bia. Regional minister me dey sande o. Regional time me dey sande o. Me boss. Yewura Zuba, me de sando. Ona wo just said you katia dia, but the guy dey sando no dada. But the omu constituency ni ye no. Time. Omo ma ndi sa funu constituency no. Mo pa, mo be your opinion post wa ha. Say to aba na say 27,000, say benya bi o wa. Mo pa mo musa dan kwa mo maniska. Na wo mbra constituency amra be your opinion post. Wo de me letter area kwa 27 police station kwa mo be ye no nko a. Say be ya mo mboka. Say NDC benya sa 20. So omunya 20,000 kura. Adena party aba power. Just 7 to 8 months. Now I say ultimu hu say mo kwa down. E wo mo constituency. Me nim obi constituency de but here de. Mo mbra me your opinion post. Samunya 27,000 na. Mo pa me free party nim. Ba ku fo nti. Ken kabi. Arrogance. Ahombaso. Constituency executive way aka wo manu atum ehwe no ene wo say party no ya me police station 2020 ye nya 96 2024 mama ndi sa funu constituency no mo pa mo be your opinion post wa ha say to aba na say 27,000 say benya bi o wa mo pa mo musa dan kwa mo maniska na wo mbra constituency amra be your opinion post. Wo de me letter area kwa 27 police station kwa mo ba ye no nko a se be ya mo mboka se NDC benya sa 20 so omunya 20,000 kura adena party aba power just 7 to 8 months now I say ultimu hu say mo kwa down e wo mo constituency me nim obi constituency de but here de mo mbra be your opinion post samunya 27,000 na mo pa me free party nim ba ku fo nti Ken kabi. Arrogance. Ahombaso. Constituency executive way aka wo manu atum ehwe no ene wo say party no. Ye me police station 2020 ye nya 96. 2024 e got 219 MPP for the beto abane de maye. Munko amankwa police station kokwa busa say. Honorable MC the police station 2024 on your sign, 2020 on your sign. Ni pari nya popra, mo se chenchen aye fa mra. Ya ka de be ka bia mo se chenchen aye fa mra. Me se mo mra be opinion post. Mo da mo mra ma ye busa dan kwa ho. Me sere mo da mo ba mo da mo nya one day fe. Na ye be hu ba bia nokro bia ye dey. Eda. Me da mase. Me da busa fo nyina ase. Nya me hire obi a mental man kwa. That mental no. Na de wo ye na time. Arrogance, ahomaso enye honorable pato at say chairman at say honorable secretary munyina muka ho bi because me fa shame si nko a mo stop no so o charge akabo be ko reject na o ma ko stop no etibanu asi ya ni bresam se asemwe se di na wotwe na se still ya tempo puye bia demonstration bia be re ko abri isi ase no nipa timi nyina no ye bobo di pablo be 2,000 ne dia ko mo so party chairman, party secretary, and MCE. Ye want you, ye night. On the say, on with no pepper pay your beba. On the say, party no above no mudia children. One more ever who the party near the echo. The seven Rambe opinion post. On over said Lukatia. Party chairman, regional minister, Honorable Zuba. Mombrame ya research say your trouble be honest 27,000 na 20,000 kwa me say na mo pa me free party no wo go party no etimi de me kakra me wa me kakra mo no me da obi bi ase me time an
Chirawaje mame e wo comment section aha Penyah Media Accra.